Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for our extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, negative 3 plus the square root of m plus 59 equals m. Okay? Well, first thing, as I bring the negative 3 over to the right to isolate the square root, so I'm left with the square root of m plus 59 equals m plus 3. Now that the square root's isolated, I'm going to square both sides. What that does is eliminate the square root, leaving me with m plus 59 on the left, and then m plus 3 times m plus 3 comes out to be m squared plus 6m plus 9. Okay? Now we're going to subtract both sides by m and subtract both sides by 59. Leave me with m squared. 6m minus 1m is plus a 5m, and I subtracted 59 to both sides, and we get a minus 50 here, right? 9 minus 59 would be negative 50, right? So now I need to factor this out. Well, what two numbers multiply to be negative 50 but add to be positive 5? Thinking about it? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about a negative 5 and a positive 10. Negative 5 times positive 10 is a negative 50, but negative 5 plus positive 10 is a positive 5. Got it. So we set both of them equal to 0, and we get m equals 5 and a negative 10. So now I need to check both of them for extraneous solutions here. Check both of them. So the first one, m equals 5. Let's do that first. We plug into our original equation, negative 3 plus the square root of 5 plus 59. Whoops, let's do m. Not substituting yet. Getting ahead of myself. That's the next step. m plus 59 equals m. Now I'm going to substitute 5 in for m. Negative 3 plus square root of 5 plus 59 equals 5. Okay. From there, simplify. Negative 3 plus square root of 59 plus 5 is 64. Equals 5. Square root of 64 is just 8. So we're left with negative 3 plus 8 equals 5. Negative 3 plus 8 is a positive 5. So 5 does equal 5. Fantastic. Makes 5 a true solution. It's not extraneous. But let's try negative 10. So we have m equals negative 10. Original equation, negative 3 plus square root of m, not 5, plus 59 equals m. Plug negative 10 in for m. So we have negative 3 plus the square root of negative 10 plus 59 equals m. Negative 10 plus 59 is a positive 49. So negative 3 plus square root of 49 equals m. Square root of 49 is just 7, so I have negative 3 plus 7 equals m. And why I didn't even plug in m here, or negative 10 in. What am I doing? Forgetting that? Can't forget that step. Ignore what I did earlier. Put a negative 10 in. Can't believe I did that. Negative 3 plus 7 is a positive 4. And does positive 4 equal negative 10? No, it does not. It does not. They're not true. So that makes negative 10 an extraneous solution. So our only true solution is m equals 5. So let's recap. We brought over from our original equation the 3 to the right and then squared both sides to eliminate the radical, leaving me with m plus 59 on the left, and then squaring m plus 3 altogether gives me m squared plus 6m plus 9. From there, I brought everything over to the right, leaving me with 0 equals m squared plus 5m minus 50. And then I had to factor that. By factoring it, I got as m minus 5 times m plus 10. Then from there, I set both of them equal to 0 and got m equals 5 and m equals negative 10. I had to check for extraneous solutions, so I checked 5 first. M equals 5. I plugged 5 into my equation, simplified, and got my left and right hand side equaled both to 5, meaning 5 is a true answer, true solution. Did the same thing with negative 10, plugged it into, well, both m's. You should from the beginning. I didn't realize so down here I forgot this one here, but it's okay, I fixed it. We all make mistakes, right? And so we plug negative 10 in for m, simplify, and when I did that, I got 4 equals a negative 10. That is not true, though. That made this negative 10 here an extraneous solution. So my only true solution, which is my final answer here, is m equals